Welcome back to Auto Street, the place where the past meets the future on four wheels. Today we're diving into a car that's not just a symbol of electric innovation but a spiritual successor to a legend. This is the Volkswagen ID 2 GTI, set to arrive in 2026, and trust us, this isn't just another EV, it's the rebirth of the GTI, reimagined for a new generation. Let's start with the obvious. This is a GTI. That badge means something. It carries nearly 50 years of hot hatch heritage on its shoulders. From the MK1 GTI that defined the category in the 70s, to the modern MK8 tearing up roads today, GTs have always been about balance, performance, practicality, and everyday fun. But now we enter a new era. No exhaust notes, no gear shifts, no gas stations. Just pure electric power, and Volkswagen is betting big that this car will ignite a new wave of performance EVs. The ID 2 GTI is based on Volkswagen's MEB entry platform, a version of their modular electric toolkit built for smaller front-wheel drive EVs. And yes, you heard that right, front-wheel drive? Just like the original GTI, that's a bold move in an age where many EVs chase performance through dual-motor, all-wheel drive setups. But Volkswagen says this is about fun, not just numbers. And they might be onto something. We're expecting around 223 horsepower, which might not sound insane in 2025, but consider the weight savings, the instant torque, and the compact footprint. This isn't about drag strip domination. This is about carving corners on a mountain road, navigating city streets with confidence, and feeling that playful edge every time you push the pedal. Design-wise, it's unmistakably GTI with a modern twist. The red accents are there. The illuminated grille strip, those aggressive LED matrix headlights, and of course the plaid seats all make a return. But the body? Sharper, more sculpted, and futuristic without trying too hard. It's like the love child of the Golf GTI and the ID3 with a bit of 80s flair baked in. Inside, the ID.2 GTI keeps things focused. Expect a clean, driver-centric cabin with a digital cockpit and physical buttons. Yes, physical buttons. A welcome change from the buttonless interiors that have frustrated Volkswagen fans in recent years. It's tech-savvy, but still tactile. The kind of cabin where you want to grab the wheel and drive, not swipe through menus and the range. Volkswagen is promising over 280 miles on a full charge, more than enough for daily driving and weekend getaways. Fast charging will get you from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes, meaning less time waiting and more time driving. Price-wise, this is the kicker. The ID 2 GTI is expected to start around £25,000 to £30,000 in the UK, making it one of the most affordable performance EVs on the market. That's a huge deal. Volkswagen wants this to be the people's hot hatch, just like the original GTI. And if they get the handling, the feel, and the vibe right, this could be the most important GTI in decades. It's still a concept for now, but the production version is locked in for 2026. And from everything we've seen, Volkswagen knows what they're doing. They're not trying to chase Tesla or beat the Nürburgring lap record. They're building a car that's fun, accessible, and honest, the way hot hatches are supposed to be. So the big question is, will the ID.2 GTI live up to the badge? Can it truly capture that old-school GTI soul in a battery-powered package? We'll find out soon. But one thing's for sure, the electric future doesn't have to be boring. If you enjoyed this look at the upcoming Volkswagen ID 2 GTI, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next. This is Auto Street, where passion meets the pavement.